Hello world! Welcome back to the Intro to Python series. In this video, we will be covering comparison operators in Python 3. Comparison operators are used to compare values on each side of the operator to decide that a certain relation exists between the values. There are 6 primary comparison operators: the equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, and less than or equal to operators. Let's start with the equal to operator. This operator is represented by 2 equal symbols. If the values of the 2 operands are equal, then the condition returns true. Otherwise, the condition returns false. Let's assign us some variables: a to 5, b to 10, and c to 5. Now let's compare a to c. We see by the output that we get true. Thus, a is equal to c because 5 is equal to 5. Now let's compare a to b. We see by the output that we get false. Therefore, a is not equal to b because 5 is not equal to 10. Let's move on to the not equal to operator. This operator is represented by a bang followed by an equal symbol. If the values of the 2 operands are not equal, then the condition returns true. Otherwise, the condition returns false. The results we get for the not equal to operator should be opposite to those we received for the equal to operator. Let's compare a to c again, but this time using the not equal to operator. We see that we return false because a is equal to c, and the not equal to operator returns true if the operands are not equal, not if they are equal. Now let's compare a to b. We see that we return true because a is indeed not equal to b. Let's continue on with the greater than operator. This is represented by the open mouth character that faces left. The condition returns true if the left operand is greater than the right operand. Otherwise, the condition returns false. Now let's compare b to c. We see that we get true because b is greater than c. Now let's try comparing c to b. We see that we get false because c is not greater than b. Let's do the reverse of the greater than operator. The less than operator is represented by the mouth character that faces right. A condition with the less than operator returns true if the left operand is less than the right operand. Otherwise, the condition returns false. Now let's compare b to c again. We see that we get false because b is not less than c. Now if we compare c to b, we see that we get true because c is less than b. Thus, the greater than and less than operators are opposites, just like the equal to and not equal to operators. The next operators we will be discussing are opposite to each other sometimes, but not always. Let's start with the greater than or equal to operator. This operator is represented by the left open mouth character followed by an equal sign. The condition returns true if the left operand is greater than or equal to the right operand. Otherwise, it returns false. Let's compare B to C, A to C, and A to B. When comparing B to C, we return true, and that is because B is greater than C, so it meets the greater than condition of the greater than or equal to operator. Only one of the two conditions that the operator represents have to be met in order for the condition to be true. When comparing A to C, that also returned true because it meets the equal to condition of the greater than or equal to operator. A is not, however, greater than or equal to B, so the condition returned false. Now let's proceed with the less than or equal to operator. This operator is represented by the right open mouth character followed by an equal sign. If the left operand is less than or equal to the right operand, the condition returns true. Otherwise, the condition returns false. The return value will be true on the same equal to condition that the greater than or equal to operator has as well, which is why the two operators are not entirely opposite of each other. Let's compare B to C, A to C, and A to B again. When comparing B to C this time, we return false, and that is because B is not less than or equal to C, so it does not meet either condition of the less than or equal to operator. When comparing A to C, that returns true because it does meet the equal to condition of the less than or equal to operator. Finally, A less than B does return true because 5 is less than 10, which meets the less than condition of the less than or equal to operator. And we're done scripting for this video. If you enjoyed the content discussed in this video, please drop a like and subscribe to show your support and help the YouTube algorithm to better interpret the channel. Stay tuned for more videos and please provide any feedback, good or bad, we don't discriminate, in the comment section down below. Have a nice one.